Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Nicole and today I'm going to show you how to make a light and refreshing pear sorbet. It's bright and fruity with hints of mint and lime. A light dessert that is gluten and dairy free, yet perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. This dessert does require some freezing time, so you want to plan accordingly and start at least one day ahead. You'll start by draining the juice off of a 16-ounce can of pears in light syrup. And to the liquid, you'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar and about a tablespoon of finely minced candied ginger, and often referred to as crystallized ginger. When chopping the ginger, I find just a sprinkle of sugar helps to keep the pieces separated and chopping a little bit easier because it is rather sticky. And we want to add the zest and juice of 1 lime, being careful not to get too much of the pith. And stir to dissolve the sugar completely. Next, you'll want to line a shallow cake pan or pie plate with plastic wrap. Add in the pear slices and spread out as shallow as possible. And then you'll pour the syrup over the pears. And now we need to freeze the pears for at least 6 hours, but preferably overnight. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now that our pears are completely frozen, we're going to go ahead and just simply flip them out onto a cutting board. And you can see that the plastic wrap helps them pop right out. Next, we'll cut the pears into manageable chunks and place into a food processor. Puree until smooth, scraping the bowl 2 to 3 times. Add finely chopped mint, about a tablespoon, and pulse just to combine. And then you'll scoop it into a clean container. Pureeing the pears after the first freeze results in an airier texture as opposed to freezing a puree. Alright, now we're going to pop this back in the freezer for at least an hour, just to firm it back up. Simply scoop into serving dishes and garnish with fresh mint. It's a cool and refreshing treat on a hot day and a lovely end to any meal. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or you can visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.